Now let's continue to edit this page further. Now, first thing we want to do here is that we want to make the URL more SEO friendly, which means that we want the URL to be more descriptive so that it's more friendlier to search engines like Google or Yahoo, and it helps to get our web page to be ranked higher on the search engine results. So the type of URL that you want to strive for is something like this, with the text about us, something more descriptive, which represents the actual context of the page. To change this URL format here, we just need to go down to Settings and Permalinks. This way, we will permanently change all the future URL format as well. So what we want to do is to select the permalink to show the post name, like this. Then click Save. So now let's go back to that page, and immediately you see that the format of this URL has been changed to about-us, which is a very much SEO friendlier URL. You can go ahead and click on it and view the page.